Smart Culture, Mathematics.
There are several theorems that can be used to prove that two triangles are congruent. Now, the first theorem that we'll look at is the SSS theorem. It stands for side, side, side. And this theorem states that if the three sides of one triangle are congruent to the three sides of another triangle, in other words, identical or the same, then the two triangles are congruent. So if you take a look at this example, we can say that triangle ABC and triangle DEF are congruent. Next, we'll look at the SAS theorem, and this stands for side angle side. This theorem states that if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are the same to the corresponding parts of another triangle or are congruent to the corresponding parts of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So in this example, triangle XYZ and triangle PQR are congruent. Next, we'll take a look at the RHS theorem, and this stands for right angle hypotenuse side. If you take a look at two right angle triangles and the hypotenuse on one other side of the one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and corresponding side of the other right angle triangle, then the triangles will be congruent. So in this case, in this example, triangle ABC and triangle DEF will be congruent. The last theorem that we'll look at is the AAS, angle side. When two triangles have a pair of corresponding angles of the same size and the length of one other corresponding side is the same length, then the triangles are congruent.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.